Hello students, welcome in today's class. As you can see here, today I am going to tell you how we can find square root and cube root. Today a trick I am going to tell you how easily we can find. First I am talking about square root, how we can find square root of the perfect square number within seconds. So let's start today's trick. Suppose you want to find square root of 289. First, 3 square root of 3 digits number. How we can find, I'm going to tell you. But before moving ahead, we should know squares of numbers till 10. But not 10 till 20, you have to learn square of the numbers till 20. So I'm writing here square of the numbers till 10 first. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 we know that 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 we know 16, square of 5 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81, and square of 10 is 100. You must know squares of numbers till 1 to 10. Then only you can easily find square root of this number. How can we find? See, very simple trick. 289 is given here. First you need to make the groups of last two digits. You have to make group of 2, and rest of the number doesn't matter how many digits are there, 1 2 3 4, you can take in one group only. This is little bit different from this division method of finding square root. Right now you can see here the last group, this group, which we can say first group from right side. So last digit is 9. Now you need to observe from this table whose square ends at 9. So you can see here square of 3 ends with 9, and also square of 7 ends with 9. So there are two possibilities. It means our answer should have either 3 as a unit number or 7 as a unit number. We are not sure about it, which number we can take here, right? Now, you just leave here only. We'll decide it later on which number will come, which digit will come here. Now, second group is 2. Now, you need to check here whose squares comes in between this, whose square is near to this 2. You can see here square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. We have to take here a smaller value. So 1 we can take here. Since we know that square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, and 4 is greater than this 2. So we can take here 1. It means in our answer, first digit will be 1, and the second digit we need to decide from 3 and 7. Now how we can decide it, right? So very simple trick is there. You do one thing, just multiply this 1 with the successor of this one. What is successor of this one? 1 plus 1, 2. We have to multiply this 1 by 2. What we have? We have 2 here. Now compare with this number. If this number is greater than or equal to this number, then we need to take the higher value. And if this number is less than the product of these two numbers, then we need to take the smaller one. So here you can see here 2 into 1. 1 is this number, and what is 2? 2 is successor of this 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we need to multiply it 2. Why we are multiplying? We need to decide now which digits we can take from 3 and 7. That's why we are multiplying it. This is rule actually. This is trick, right? So 2 is equal to this 2. It means we need to take higher value. So 17. So this is square root of 289. 17 is the square root of 289. This is very interesting thing. No need to divide, and only simple in this form of simple calculations we are able to find square root of any of the number. Here I have taken 3-digit numbers. So to make you understand, I am taking some more 3-digit numbers to find the square root of this. Now, and next number I am taking here 361, and we need to find the square root of 361. What to do? Just to recall the steps. You can also take your notebook and pen with you and try to solve with me. So this is first group and this is second group. Now this is the first step. Second step, you need to check here which the last digit, it is 1. Now you need to find in whose square 1 will come at unit place. So you can see here the square of 1 we have 1 here, and in the square of 9 also we have 1 here. So there are two possible values, 1 and 9. We have to choose one value from these two values. We will choose this later on. Now see, the second group is 3. Now where 3 comes here? 3 is less than 4 but greater than this 1. So we have to take 1 here. It means in our answer 1 will come as a first digit, and second digit we have to decide from 1 and 9. Now how we can decide? This is very important. 1 we can write as it is and take the successor of this 1, that is 2. So we need to multiply it by 2. What we have now? 2. Now compare this 3 with 2. We can see 3 is greater than 2. So it is greater than, that's why we need to take greater value. So we have to take here 9. Now we can say here square of this 19 is 361. Hope you understand. One more example I am taking here now. This time I am taking here 484. Let me clear on this. Only perfect square numbers I am taking here, and with this trick we are only able to find square root of perfect square number. These all are perfect squares number, right? Now same trick. This is the first group and this 4 is in second group. Now see, last digit 4. In whose square 4's come at unit digit? The square of 2. It means the value, the square root in the last digit either 2 or 8, you can see here. So we have two options here. Either we can take 2 as a unit digit or 8 as a unit digit. It will decide later on. So the second group is 4. You can see here the square of 2 is 4. So we can write 2 here. It means 2 is our first digit and second digit we need to decide it. How we can decide? Just write 2 as it is and successor of this 2. This is rule. So 3, 6 you can say. Now we need to compare this first group, that is 4, with 6. This value is less than this 6. So value is less than, it means we need to take less value, means 2. So this is answer. So square root of 484 is 22. Hope you understand. This is very interesting. One more example I am taking here to make you understand clearly. This time I am taking here 729. We need to find square root of 729 without prime factorization, without division method. How we can find square root of this 729? Very first method, first we need to make groups from right hand side. So this is first group, this is second group. Now in this group last digit is 9. Now the second step says that you need to find in whose square last digit or unit digit 9 comes. So we can see here 3. In the square of 3 we get 9, and in the square of 7 also we get 9 as a unit digit. So 2 options we have here. Every time you'll get 2 options. 3 and 7 we have here. Now 7, you can see here, 7 comes in between 2 and 3. Square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. So we need to take less value. So 2 we can write here. Since square of 3 is 9, 9 is greater than this 7. So first, it is 100% sure first digit will be 2 and second digit we need to decide from 3 and 7. Now how we can decide it? So the rule says that 2 into the successor of this 2, 3. So 6. Now you can see here this 7 is greater than this 7. This 7 is greater than this 6. It means we need to take higher value, greater value. So 7. So 7 is answer. It means 27 is the square root of 7 to 9. Hope you understand. You can calculate it with division method also and with prime factorization method also. You will get the same result, right? So this is very interesting. Now let's move ahead, and now we will find square root of 4-digit numbers, right? So first number I am taking here, that 1369 I am taking here. This is 4-digit number, and we will try to find square root of this 4-digit number by using this trick. Now again the same rule, we need to make groups from right to left. So this is first group, this is second group. 69. What is unit place? 9 we have at unit place. So 9 comes in the square of 3 and in the square of 7. So every time you will get 2 digits, right? Now the second group is 13. So you can see here where 13 will lie. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 16 is greater than 13. So we should take 3 square. That is 9 or 3 we can say. Square of 3 is 9. So first digit will come 3. And second we need to decide. How we can decide? Simple. 3 and successor of this 3, that is 4. So 12 we have here. Now you can see this 13 is greater than this 12. So we need to take higher value since it is greater. So greater value 7 we can take. So square root of 1369 is 13. Hope you understand, guys. One more example I am taking here. This time I am taking here 19 and 36. Your number should be perfect square. Hope you understand. This is perfect square number. This is first group, this is second group. 36 unit digit is 6. So 6 comes the square of 4 and in the square of 6 also. So 2 digits are there. Always you will get 2 digits there. Now we will decide later on which digit we should take. So first group is 19. Where 19 comes? In between square of 4 and 5. You can see here. So as per rule, we have to take lesser value. So 4 we can take here. 4. Right? Now just think about it. What digit we can take here now? The rule is 4 into successor of this 4. That is 5. 20. Now compare this first group, that is 19 with 20. 19 is less than 20. So it means we have to take less value, that is 4. So 44. Square of 44 is 1936. Within seconds, you can find the square root of any of the number. Hope you understand. One more question I am taking here for you. This time I am taking here that 2601. Let's try to find out it by your own. So this is first group and this is second group. 9. Last digit is 9. So we know that in the square of 3 and 7 we have 9. Right? You must know square of the numbers till 100 for this. Now second group is 26. So we know that 26 comes between the square of 5 and 6. So we need to take this less value. Sorry, the 5 square and 6 square. So we need to take less value, that is 5. So we first digit will be 5. We are sure about it. Now what is second? So 5 into successor of 5, 6, 30. Compares 26 with 30. So 26 is less than 30. So we can take less value, that is 3. So 53. Square root of 2609 is 53. Hope you understand. Now we will try to solve 5-digit number, square root of 5-digit number. First number I am taking here, this is 10201. Now how we can find square root of this 5-digit number? It is a big number. So as per root, this is first group, and one important thing that I want to tell you here. First, your first group from right side should contain only 2 digits, that is 0, 1, and rest of the digits you can take in a single group. Right? Hope you understand. Don't take it as 1, 0 and 1 is a first group, 0 and 2 and 0 in a second group, and then 1 is a third group, as we do in division method. Here the trick is little bit different. First group that we form, it should contain 2 digits only, and rest of the numbers we can take only single group. So this is first group, this is second group. Hope you understand. Now in first group, see 1 is at unit place. So in the square of 1 and in the square of 9, we have 1 as a unit digit. Hope you understand. Now see the second group is 102. Now where 102 will come? So we know that square of 11, you also know here, we know here the square of 11 is 121. It means it will lie between 10 and 11. So square of 10 is 100, square of 11 is 121. So we need to take lesser value. So 10 we can take here. So first number is 10. Now this last digit 1 and 9, we need to decide it. How we can decide? 10 into, simple for same formula, 10 into successor of this 10, that is 11. So 110. Now compare 102 with 110. This is less, of course. So we need to take lesser value than 1. So square root of 10,201 is 101. You can easily find it. It's very simple. So the conclusion is, to find square root of 5-digit number, you must know squares of numbers till 1 to 20. You must know, then only you can easily find square root of numbers of 5 digit, right? So I'm writing here squares of the numbers till 12 till 19. So square of 12 is 141. You should know. If you don't know, you please learn it. It is very useful for you. You should know. Right? The square of 14 is, you calculate it. Square of 15 is 225. Square of 16 is 256. Square of 17 we can write as 289. Square of 18 we can write it 324. Square of 19 we know it is 361. And square of 20 we know 400. And how we can find square of 14? One trick I already explained you. 14 square. How we can find square of this 1 is 1, square of this 4 is 16. Right? So 1 and 16, and we need to multiply all these 3 digits together. 1 4 is 4, 2 is 8, and we have to write here 0 8 6 9 1. So we can say 196. Why I am telling you this? Because I am just recalling this concept also. So by using this trick also, you can write square of all the numbers till 20. Right? Now let's move to another example. Now I'm taking another number, 12769. 12769. This is a big number. 12,769. So we need to find square root of this number with trick. Within seconds you can find, you will find. So this is first group and this is second group. As I discussed earlier, first group should contain only 2 digits and rest of the digits you can take in another group, that is second group. Now see, unit 9 is there, unit digit is 9, so we know that 9 comes in the square of 3 and in the square of 7, you can see here, right? Now the second group that we have, it is 127. So you can see here 127 will lie between square of 11 and in between square of 12. So square of 11 is 1 to 1, square of 12 is 144. 144 is bigger than 127, so we need to take lesser value, that is 11 we can take here. Now how we can decide it? Same method, 11 into successor of this 11, that is 12. Now multiply 11 with 12. So what we have here? We have here 132. Now compare with second group, that is 127 is less than 132. So we need to take less value, that is 3. So we can say that square root of 12,769 is 113. Hope you understand, right? One more example I am taking here of 5-digit number, that is I am taking here, it's a big number, 37,249. This is a big number. Now we will try to find square root of this number by using trick. So this is first group, this is second group, and 9 comes in the square of 3 and in the square of 7. Last digit you need to check here. Hope you understand. Now first group is 372. So we know that 372 comes between square of 19 and square of 20. So lesser value we have to take here. So we will take here 19, this value. Right? Now to decide which digit from 3 and 7 we can take, another formula we will use here. 19 into successor of 19, that is 20. So after multiplying we have 380. So compare this 372 with 380. 372 is less than 380. So less value means 3. So this is your answer. So 193 is the square root of 37,249. So this is very interesting method, guys. Hope you understand and you enjoyed also. Now you can try any of the 5-digit number, how we can find square root within seconds. No need to use that division method, need to use that prime factorization method. With this trick also we can find easily in a single step. Hope you understand. Now we will discuss how we can find cube root now of numbers within seconds, or trick I am going to tell you to find cube root of the numbers. So before starting, you need to know cube root of the numbers till 1 to 10 or 9, you should know, and square you need to know till 1 to 20. If you don't know, you please learn. I am writing here cubes first. So cube of 1 we know 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 we can see 125, cube of 6 216, cube of 7 343, cube of 8 512, cube of 9 729, and cube of 10 we all know it is 1000. So you can see here I have written there cubes of numbers till 1 to 10. You must know to use this trick of cube root. You need to know cubes of numbers 1 to 9 or 1 to 10. Now let's start how we can find cube root of number. First I am going to tell you cube root of 4-digit number. But once again, we can only find cube root of perfect cube number, right? So first number I am taking here, that is 1728. This is perfect cube and we need to find cube root of this number. Now how we can find? So this is very interesting. Now see, in the cube root, you just recall in the square root what we did first. We need to take, we did there the group of 2 digits, but here cube root is there, so we need to take group of 3 digits. This is very important. So this is first group of 7 to 8 and 1 is the second group. Now what to do here? Now see, you can see here last digit 8 is there. Now you can see here in whose cube 8 comes. Now here is no ambiguity. You can easily find only in the cube of 2 we have 8. So we are sure that unit digit will be 2. Why 2? Since we know that last digit 8 comes in the cube of 2 only. So our last digit will be 2. This is 100% sure. Hope you understand. Now see first group 1. Now you need to check where ones will lie here. 1 will lie here in between cube of 1 and cube of 2. So we need to take less value as in square root we did. So 1 we can write here. Since we know that cube of 2 is 8, 8 is greater than this 1, that's why we have to take lower value, that is 1. So 1, 2 means 12. It means cube root of 1728 is 12. This is very simple. It is simple than cube root, than square root, sorry. Hope you understand. Now another number I am taking here, that is 4096. Now again the same method. This is first group of 3. First group, what we have to see here, the last digit 6, and 6 comes in the cube of, you can see here, 6 only. So we are 100% sure that the unit digit will have 6. Now what is the first digit? So 4. The second group is 4. You can see here 4 lies between 1 and 12. So we need to take that lower value, so 1. It means 16 cube is 4096, or cube root of 4096 is 16. Right? One more example I am taking here. Now I am going to tell you how we can find cube root of 5-digit number. So I am taking here one 5-digit number. This is 12,167. This is a big number. How we can find cube root of this number? Again same procedure. First the first group of 3 digit, then this is second group. Now first group, last digit is 7 there. So you need to find in whose cube we can find 7 as a unit digit. So you can see here in the cube of 3 only we have to find 7. So we can write here 7. It's very simple. It means this group we can ensure that 7 will come as a unit digit. So 7 we have already written here. Now first group is 12. This 12 lies between the cube of 2 and cube of 3. So we need to take less value. So we have to take here 2. So 27. It means cube root of 12,167 is 27. This is very interesting. Right? Sorry, 3. We have to write 3 here. Since we know that 7 comes in the cube of 3. So 3 will come here. By mistake I have written there 27. Right? Now next number 59 and 319. This is another 5-digit number. 59 and 319. 59,319. Again same procedure. First group second group. Last digit is 9. Whose cube will give you we 9? So you can see here cube of 9, we have 9 as a unit digit. So our unit digit will be 9 there. Hope you understand. Now we have to decide now what will be the first digit. So 59, where 59 comes? It will lie between the cube of 3 and cube of 4. So less value we need to take. What is less? 3. So 39. So you can see here within seconds we are able to write the answer. So 39. I am explaining you each and every step. That's why you can see here I am taking 6 seconds. But if you do by your own, within 2-3 seconds you can find the answers. It depends on your practice. So 39 is the cube root of this 59,319. One more example I am taking here of 5-digit number. Now this time I am taking here that 17576. 17576. This is another also a big number, and we have to find cube root of this number. So first group, this is second group. First group we can see 6 we have at unit place. So whose cube gives at 6 at unit place? Cube of 6 only. So we can write 6 here. So we have already find that 6 we have at unit place. Now how we can decide what will be in first place? 17, where 17 lies? Between this cube of 2 and 3. So 2 we can write here, since we have to take less value. So 26. It means cube root of 17,576 is 26. Hope you understand, guys. Now let's move ahead and we'll find cube root of 6-digit number, a huge number. I am taking here 6-digit number, that is 205379. This is a very big number, and we have to find cube root of this number, and within seconds also the same trick we can easily find. So this is first group and this is second group. Group we have to take in 3 digits only. So 379, last digit we have 9 here. First we need to find whose cube gives us 9 as a unit digit. So you can see here cube of 9 gives us 9 as a unit place. So our answer unit place should be 9. Now the second group is 205. So where 205 will lie? It will lie between cube of 5, that is 125, and cube of 6, that is 216. You must remember the cubes till 10. So we have to take lesser value, so 5 we can take here. So this is answer. 59 we have cube root of 2,05,379. Hope you understand. One more number I am taking here now to make you understand. This is now 226981. 226981. Right? So group of 3, and this is first group 981, and this is second group 981. Last digit we have 1. So whose cube gives us 1 only. So we are 100% sure in answer unit digit we have as 1. Now 226. It will lie between cube of 6 and cube of 7. So 61. 6 we can take here, less value since we have taken here. So 61. Cube root of this one is 61. One more example I am taking here. 704969. This is a big number, and how we can find cube root within second. This is first group, this is second group. Now last digit 9, and we can see here in the cube of 9 we have last digit 9, and 704, where 704 comes in between cube of 8 and 9. So less value we need to take 8. 89 is answer. So without much more effort we can easily find cube root of the number. So guys, That's all from this class. Hope you like this class, today's class. I discussed here how we can find square root and how we can find cube root of the big numbers within seconds. Hope you understand. Hope you like this video. And also one more thing that I want to tell you, we can only find square root of perfect square number and cube root of perfect cube number by using this trick, right? So hope you understand, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.